In this video, I will show you how you can pair, replacement or different AirPods with the case. Now if you have different AirPods and a different case and if you want to pair them, first of all on your iPhone, just go to settings and from here just tap on Bluetooth. After you do that, then just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name and select forget device. Tap on forget device. Now after you do that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the AirPods case and after that just close the lid. Now just plug in your AirPods into charge for 20 minutes. After you charge your AirPods for 20 minutes, then for the next step, just open the lid of your AirPods. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED start blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPod. Now if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPod which have a button at the back of the AirPod, now for that type of AirPods, just open the lid of the AirPod, then tap and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod. Now basically after you press and hold the button for almost 15 seconds, the LED on your AirPods case will turn into orange. Now just keep pressing and holding the button until the LED turns from orange back to white. And after you do that, now just close the lid, then wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just open the lid back open and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And this is how you can pair replacement or different AirPods to a case. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.